My dear friends, have you ever heard of the trend 6'7"? If so, do you think it is despising? For me, yes. Here's my personal anecdote. Whenever I visit school during my weekdays, my classmates would often say 6'7" or any other brainer words. Aside from that, as soon as I began hearing it, it annoyed me a lot of times. Like, that is how counting numbers work. Is it that necessary to say 6'7"? What is happening in today's generation? Tell me, why did everyone fall into some 6'7" brainer like a predator capturing its prey? Just so, if you ask me, is today's generation slowly becoming brainer? To be honest, I hope not. Hearing that number is so annoying. I am not even hating on my classmates who admire that 6'7" meme. But in my opinion, I dislike it since brain rot is completely not my type.